Stan Jabalisco here with take 5 in the dirty electricity sequence, showing you actual dirty electricity as seen on the program called DigiPan. I'm not using the original computer that I downloaded the program to for this particular sequence because I couldn't get the microphone to be sensitive enough to show these lines with sufficient brightness. So I'm using my iPad to record the screen of a notebook computer instead. This is actually, I believe, the computer that I used for my book, Electronics Workshop Companion for Hobbyists, which has a photograph of this in it. It is available from McGraw-Hill. It's my most recent book as of this video. But right there you see the 60 hertz main vibration, as it were, which is the standard frequency of all alternating current, or almost all, in the United States. In some countries it's 50 hertz. But there it is. You can see 60. There's 100 hertz right there, 500 hertz right there, 1,000 hertz right there. We should see a line at 1200 hertz, which would be the 10th harmonic, and indeed we do, but it's quite dim. This bright one here is at, it looks to me like 540 hertz. And that line would be, I believe, the 9th harmonic of 60 hertz. That's a bright one. It seems the odd harmonics are the brightest. 180. Then we have 300. Then we have 540. And so on and so on and so on. 540 is right there. So that, and here's a very bright line. The brighter the lines, the stronger the energy. So notice how many harmonics there are of this main 60 hertz signal. Now if it were clean electricity, that is pure 60 hertz AC, that's all you'd see. But with the antenna that I have described in other videos leading up to this one, it's a piece of coaxial cable plugged into the microphone jack of my Hewlett-Packard computer with about 10 feet of copper wire laying on the floor, connected to the center conductor. And that's it. You can repeat this experiment too if you like. All you need is to make sure that it's configured properly so that you can get audio input into that microphone jack, and a bunch of other things. But we are experimenters, are we not? Improvising and jumping through hoops and doing every trick in the book we can find, some in some of my books and some not. We find ways to do what we need to do, even if it takes 50 tries. Now, it took me about 12 or 13 just to get this. Stan Jabalisco signing off. Until next time, so long.